do is draw your triangles, and I'm going to fill these in with the different colors so that we kind of have an idea. Now, the yellow one we are doing is a little sliver. That's what we're trying to find. So this angle is going to be pretty small. But let's break these up into horizontal. This is one horizontal. This is one vertical. This is two horizontal. And this is two vertical. Up here at the top, I have the distance total. Nah, I'm not going to use that. Too thick. Distance total horizontal. That's this part. And then here is going to be my distance total vertical, which is this tiny part right here. Okay? So distance total horizontal will be distance 1 horizontal plus distance 2 horizontal. And then we'll have distance total vertical will be distance 1 vertical plus distance 2 vertical. And just to double check, the horizontal starting over here, there's 1, there's 2. Are both of these going to be positive, or will 1 or 2 be negative? Both positive moving forward, so we'll just call them both positive. Yeah. And then for the vertical, I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to go up. So you can do this any way. I would say that this, even though it's down, I would just call this one, let's call this one the negative and this one the positive. You can have them reversed. How many had them reversed? I almost would rather have them reversed. I like it. I like it that way because then you'll have a positive amount. We know it's down. But we do need to see that they're opposites. Okay, so now what we do for the horizontal, this is 25 degrees. So this is opposite, and this is, uh-oh, did I give a distance here? Yeah, this is 12 meters. So the what is opposite over hypotenuse? Sine of 25 is opposite d1h over hypotenuse, which is 12. So d1h will be 12 times the sine of 25. d2h is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is here. So we're going to make this one the cosine of, oh, if this is 75, what's this little angle in here? 15 degrees. So the cosine of 15 degrees is equal to the adjacent d2h over 18. Anybody confused with that? Is that all right? So then when I cross multiply, I'm going to get 18 times the cosine of 15. And then we do the other ones. We're going to do the vertical, which is going to be the cosine of 25, is d1 vertical over 12. So this will be plus, wait a minute. That's the horizontal part, isn't it? Well, we can leave it that way. We'll leave it that way. This will be the vertical. So the vertical is going to be plus, we did the cosine. I feel like I did something wrong here. I did. I put this one in the wrong spot. This should be plus 18 cosine 15. Excuse me. And now we're ready to do the vertical. So one vertical is going to be 12 times the cosine of 25. And this is going to be minus, because it's in the opposite direction, 18 sine of 15. Because the sine of 15 is d2 vertical over 18. And then we go ahead and crank these out. Anybody get this one real quick? Just shout it out what you got to the nearest tenth. 12 sine 25 plus 18 cosine 15 real quick. 22.5, and that is in meters. And then what did this one turn out to be? Anybody get that one? Get this one? Did you get it, Isabella? 6.2. Anybody second that? Yes, good. All right, so now we have 6.2 meters here, 22.5 meters here. And anybody second 22? I think we got that already. And so once you know this, now we're looking at our yellow triangle. Okay, so then you just use Pythagorean theorem to find r. You take the square root of 22.5 squared and 6.2 squared, and that's going to be how far? Should be just a little, not sure what that's going to be. Oh, it should be just a little bit bigger than 22.5. 23.3 sounds perfect. Meters. And look at that. Got that right. And now the undoing of the tangent, the arc or inverse tangent of opposite, which is 6.2 over 22. 6.2 over 22.5. And I need an angle for that. And it is 15.4. Sounds good. I had 15.5. So just rounding. I'd give full credit for that. So here's my little north, east, south. So the way we would say this is we're going 23.3 meters. We're going east first, and we're sweeping down 15.4 degrees south. And that'll give me my bearing to go to get where we're got. So there you have it. Break it up into 3 triangles, get the D total horizontal, D total vertical, break those up, find those, then make the 1 triangle, find the total distance and the angle, and write it